In this episode, we're going to discuss a few physical processes that are called changes of state. A change of state is a process in which a substance is transferred from one physical state to another. Usually, it is accomplished by either heating or cooling of a substance, but pressures many times can play a role as well. Changes of state are examples of physical changes. We clarified this at the beginning of this semester when we first introduced the concepts of chemical and physical changes. State changes are always physical because the composition of the substance doesn't change. There are 6 possible state changes: freezing from liquid to solid, melting from solid to liquid, evaporation from liquid to gas, condensation from gas to liquid, sublimation from solid to gas, and deposition from gas to solid directly. As you can see, the 6 possible state changes are actually 3 pairs of opposite processes. Melting, freezing is a pair of opposite processes. Evaporation, condensation, another pair. Sublimation, deposition, another pair of opposite processes. 3 out of the 6 processes, melting, evaporation, and sublimation, they require heat. They absorb heat for them to occur. The other 3 opposite processes, condensation, freezing, and deposition, heat are released when these processes occur. So we have 2 different kinds of state changes. One that absorbs heat, one that releases heat. In chemistry, a process that absorbs heat is called an endothermic process. Right now, we're talking about endothermic change of state. Okay. We have melting, evaporation, sublimation. These are the processes that require heat for them to occur. Heat is absorbed when they occur. The other 3 processes where heat is released when the process happens is called exothermic change of state or exothermic processes. Freezing, condensation, deposition. Let's make this clear. Endothermic and exothermic, these are the 2 concepts that are not limited to state changes. Any process that could be an endothermic or exothermic. It applies to both physical and chemical changes. Right now, we are talking about state changes. They're all physical changes. Okay. In the future, in this semester, we are going to learn situations where a chemical reaction could be endothermic or exothermic. This is pretty much today's content. In the next episode, we are going to look at the evaporation. Of course, when you talk about evaporation, you have also to talk about condensation. These are the 2 opposite processes. So in the next episode, we're going to discuss the process of evaporation, from which we are going to learn a lot. See you next time.